Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are discussing about quadratic equations. One of the questions in maxima and minima or range of the quadratic equations. If x is real, then the value of x square minus 3x plus 4 divided by x square plus 3x plus 4 lies in the interval. To solve this type of problems, we have one shortcut formula. When the quadratic equation is of the form ax square minus bx plus c by ax square plus bx plus c. In this form it is there. The value lies between f of plus or minus root c by a. ఇచ్చినటువంటి ప్రాబ్లం క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ లో ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చినట్లయితే ఈ వాల్యూ ఏ విలువల మధ్య ఉంటుంది, ఏ వాల్యూస్ మధ్య ఉంటుంది అని తెలుసుకోవడం కోసం ఇచ్చినటువంటి క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ px by qx ఫామ్ ax స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ bx ప్లస్ c by ax స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ bx ప్లస్ c ఈ ఫామ్ లో ఉంటే అంటే ఏ వాల్యూ b వాల్యూ c వాల్యూ సేమ్ ఉండాలి, న్యూమరేటర్ అండ్ డినామినేటర్ లో సేమ్ ఉండాలి. Whenever like this it will be there, you can find out the value of f of plus or minus root c by a. So according to the question here, a equal to 1, b equal to 3, c equal to 4. Whether it is plus or minus, it is b value. So calculate f of plus or minus c value 4, a value 1. So it will be equal to f of plus or minus 2. F of plus or minus 2 value one by one we will calculate. F of x equal to x square minus 3x plus 4 divided by x square plus 3x plus 4. So first I am calculating f of 2. So f of 2 equal to 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 4 divided by 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus 4. So 4 minus 6 plus 4 divided by 4 plus 6 plus 4, which is equal to 8 minus 6 is 2 divided by 14, that is equal to 1 by 7. Similarly calculate f of minus 2, that is equal to minus 2 whole square minus 3 into minus 2 plus 4 divided by minus 2 square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 4, which is equal to 4 plus 6 plus 4 divided by 4 minus 6 plus 4, that is equal to 14 by 2. It is a reciprocal of this one. So you will get 7. Say therefore the value of f of x. Therefore f of x is belongs to closed f of 2 comma f of minus 2. So how we will write it is closed f of 2 value. Among these two, which one is small? 1 by 7 is small, comma, and which one is big? 7. So therefore the range or the given expression lies between 1 by 7 and 7. I hope everyone understand that. So it is there in the fourth option, dear students. Thank you for watching. If you really like this video, please share to your friends. This is the shortcut formula, dear students. You keep in mind, whenever the given quadratic expression is in this form, to find the range, you have to apply this formula when a, b, c are same in the numerator and denominator. Okay, dear students.